Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with the Revolut app. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your finances, send and receive money, and make payments online and in-store. To get started, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once installed, sign up for a Revolut account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After signing up, you need to add a payment method to your Revolut account. You can add a debit or credit card, or even set up a direct deposit from your bank account. To add a card, go to the Payment Methods section in the app, select Add Card, and enter your card details. You will receive a verification code on your phone or email to confirm the addition of the card. To make a payment, go to the home screen of the app and select the Pay option. You can choose to pay a contact, a business, or use the app to pay at a physical store. If you are paying a contact, select the contact from your list and enter the amount you want to pay. If you are paying a business, you can use the search function to find the business and enter the amount. When making a payment, you can choose the currency you want to pay in and the payment method you want to use. You can also add a note or description to the payment for your records. Once you have entered all the details, review the payment information and confirm the payment. Revolut also offers a feature called contactless payments, which allows you to make payments using your mobile device. To use this feature, you need to add your Revolut card to your device's wallet app, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Once added, you can use your device to make contactless payments at participating merchants. In addition to making payments, Revolut also offers a range of other features, including the ability to send and receive money, track your spending, and set budgets. You can also use the app to exchange currencies and make international payments. To ensure your account is secure, Revolut offers a range of security features, including two-factor authentication and encryption. You can also freeze your card if it is lost or stolen, and order a replacement card directly from the app. In conclusion, paying with the Revolut app is a simple and convenient process. By following these steps, you can easily make payments online and in-store, send and receive money, and manage your finances on the go. Remember to always keep your account information and payment details secure, and take advantage of the app's security features to protect your money.